What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It's me, Kendra, and I just arrived in Chicago. Well, it's not just me by myself. It's my two daughters and I. We are spending the next few days here exploring the city of Chicago, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Now, I wanted to film the whole process of me getting to the airport and checking in, but it was just too much going on between Southwest, the long lines. I was like, you know what? I'll just film when I get to Chicago. So we just checked into our hotel. We are in the River North area, and we actually have a pretty decent view. I'll show it to you all in the morning because it's dark right now. Let me give you all a quick tour of the hotel. We are staying at the Westin. But it's gonna do. I was just telling my daughters, I'm like, when we travel again, you guys need your own hotel room because it's already a mess. They are too much. But I'm gonna get ready to unpack all of my toiletries because it is always a struggle when I travel, because I'm always like, I need to bring everything because I never know what I'm gonna need. Before I run off to bed, let me just update you all on the job. I am finally off of orientation and on my own, thankfully. It's going well, except I have some challenges, and I guess one of the biggest challenges that I have is that in the position that I'm in, I'll be floating between adults and adolescents. And y'all, I don't know what to do about the adolescents. The adults I can deal with and you know, redirect as necessary because we're all adults. But the children's, the adolescents, the talking back, the no please, the no thank you, I don't know. That's going to be an adjustment for me. What's up, y'all? It is day 2 in Chicago. This morning we woke up like around 10. I don't know why. I was super tired. We woke up around 10 and then we ended up walking to Whole Foods to pick up a few items like bottled water and some fruits to keep in the room just in case we get a little bit hungry. We are getting ready right now to hit the road. Where we're located is in the, I think I mentioned, in the River North area, so a lot of the places that we want to see and things that we want to do is within walking distance. Is very hard because it's a lot of busyness going on. I won't say it's on New York's level, but it's definitely busy. We're here at Cloud Park. We're gonna go see the Bean. are leaving Millennial Park, where the Bean is, and we're going to walk over to the Art Institute of Chicago to get a glimpse of some art. So far, the Riverwalk area has been my favorite. I love water, and just being able to stroll and sit alongside water is very peaceful, so I've really been enjoying that. I also didn't get a chance to show you all the view from our hotel window. We're on the 15th floor, so here is what it looks like. Across over there are like office buildings, and we were seeing the people early in the morning getting to work and doing whatever they were doing, and then this is the view. You guys see, those people were kayaking while we were out there earlier. They better than me, because not me and nobody kayak in water that I do not know. We know, sir. You don't want to be in it? Okay, that's fine. I'm sorry. My 12-year-old was like, just keep me out of it. Just keep me out of it. But we are here at, what's this place called, Kayla? Pizza Parlor. Pizza Parlor. Our pizzas just came, and it looks delicious so far. But let me show you guys. How we gonna eat all of this, y'all?
We're not.
We're not, right? So how would you guys rate Pizza Parlor? Let me hold it. How would you guys rate it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. So the pizza was delicious. It was just a lot of pizza. I wasn't expecting for the personal pies to be as large as they were. Delicious. But we didn't need to order 2. We did not. Headed back home now to the hotel to take a shower and go to bed and get ready for our day again tomorrow. It is Friday morning, and we are going on a boat I can't even speak, a boat tour. It's a river tour that looks at all the architecture and things like that. So we're just online waiting. The tour starts at 10:15.
Yeah, you're good. Okay.
Been demolished. I forgot I have my camera. The atmosphere is pretty good, kind of loud, but it's fun. Let me show you guys. We had the chicken basket that came with watermelon and the cornbread. Y'all, did we not walk all the way here for us to be told that there is zero visibility on the sky deck? Like, we literally cannot see anything because of the weather, and the clouds are too close to the building. Let me show you guys the screen of what it would look like if we were to go up there instead of getting a refund. That's the cloud that you see right there. That cloudy screen, that's what we would be looking at if we went up. Currently on the line at Garrett's Popcorn, because when you come to Chicago, that is a staple item that you have to try. And I'm also going to bring some back for some friends and family. I'm hoping that the line moves fast, because I'm a girl that don't like to wait online. I don't wait online to spend my money. Yeah.
Yeah, let me know.
Go ahead. Today was our last day in Chicago. We are headed back to Baltimore tomorrow morning. Our flight leaves at 6:30, so we have to be up and out of here super early. About to pack away the groceries and meal prep for the week, because after all the money I spent on this Chicago trip, because remember I had my 2 girls with me, I can't spend any more money outside of this kitchen. So you will not catch me at anybody's restaurant. Starbucks, you're on pause for a good minute. I just purchased new instant coffee again, a bunch of groceries, because as usual I'll be bringing to work with me my lunch and dinner. I am attempting intermittent fasting, so in the morning time when I get up, I'm going to just be drinking tea and water, and let's see how that works out, because I love a good cup of coffee in the morning. I'm just going to push my coffee to start later on in the day, like maybe 12 o'clock. I'll break my fast. And the tea that I'm going to be drinking is ginger tea with the fresh ginger root, like I showed you guys in the past. And then when I was in New York the other day, I purchased this right here, Amla Dry. So some of you might know about Amla because there's a hair oil that's used to help like grow hair. It helps to prevent like premature graying. But this basically is called Indian gooseberries. That's what it is. It's Indian gooseberries that are dried, and it's the same thing that's used in the Amla oil. The medical doctor that I'm doing my current clinical with from my nurse practitioner program, he swears by this. He eats gooseberries, I think, on a daily basis. He said it's very good for so many things. So I did the research, and I'm going to be incorporating this into my diet, and I'll let you guys know how everything works out with that. Pray for me because I love to eat. Finished packing away the groceries. Tomorrow I'm just going to take it easy. I'll take tuna to work because I don't feel like getting behind the stove. I'm recovering from my Chicago trip. I hope you guys enjoy the views. Today is Sunday, meaning that I'm going to go catch up on some of my favorite YouTubers. I watch quite a bit of YouTube in my downtime when I'm at work, when I'm at home cleaning up, sometimes even in my car ride. Like, I'll listen to content on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of, you know, the luxury girls. Of course, I always love that. Some of my favorite YouTubers are Octavia B. I am still waiting for my girl Lori to come back on. Lori's channel is from CNA to NP. I also watch Julia. Julia is a Nigerian nursing student living in Poland. She actually attends nursing school in Poland. I love her vlogs. Then there is another YouTuber, I've been keeping up with her as well. She started recently. Her name is Shay Journey. I also watch her. And then there is, according to Tawanda, Tawanda is bringing all of the finance, all the finance issues that affect nurses and other professions. So I do enjoy that. Let's see, who else have I been watching? Oh, Life of Michelle. I also enjoy her content. And I hope you all enjoyed my bits and pieces of Chicago, and the Redonda video, I'm also going to work on editing that. I just finished filming part 3 today. I don't think I'll need to do a part 4, but we'll see what the comment sections are saying. And I'm hoping to do a live in the near future. I have to like gather myself for that. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you all again in another video.